back. I hope you all are having a fantastic Friday. I am so excited. As you can see from the title down below, I have my BoxyCharm Premium for the month of November 2019. It's debut month. So we're going to get in here and we're going to see, is it worth it? Because if you did not know, this is a new subscription that BoxyCharm is offering. There is a wait list. I was lucky enough to get off the wait list and get it for the month of November. It is $35 a month and you are supposed to receive 6 to 7 full-size items. And the value is supposed to be like $250 to $300. It's crazy. So I'm definitely excited to get in here. I did see sneak peeks, but I've heard there are variations. So we're going to find out. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for BoxyCharm. Their regular beauty box is $25 a month and you receive 5 full-size and deluxe size items. And that value is over $125. And once you are a member, you can sign up for Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly. They will charge you an additional $28.99 on top of the $25 for a really, really awesome box. It's going to be like, kind of like FabFitFun, where it's going to have a ton of different things in it. It's usually like 9-ish items. So it's awesome. I'm super excited to see what this premium is about. Now the premium again is a monthly part, so you can still get the regular BoxyCharm. So I'm still waiting on my regular November BoxyCharm box, but I did go ahead and get the premium. So we're going to get in here and see what it is. And yeah, let's do it. I do want to remind you guys, we do have quite a few giveaways going on right now. So those will be linked down below. Don't forget to enter. And if you're new, welcome. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. But let's cut this bad boy open and see what we got for November and the first BoxyCharm Premium. All right, so when you open it, it's blue. And it says BoxyCharm Premium. And there's some bubble wrap. We have a card. We'll put that down. Oh, there's a lot of bubbles. And then icy goodies. All right. So here is the card. Stellar is the theme. And it does go over all of the products and give us pricing and everything for that. And then here on the back is where it's talking about the Boxy Luxe, the Boxy Pop-Up, which is starting on Tuesday, the 12th. So if you are a member, definitely take advantage of that. I got some awesome products last time. So let's just get in here and see. So the first thing I see right here says BoxyCharm, and this is brushes. Now I did see this, and I'm actually very curious to see the quality. I do like the bag that they came in. The bag says BoxyCharm. But I'm very curious to see the quality of these brushes, being that they are BoxyCharm brushes. So it is a 5-piece set. So you can see right there. So let's see what they say about these. BoxyCharm 5-piece brush set. Introducing your new favorite brush set. This BoxyCharm branded 5-piece set was created to help you achieve a flawless look. Ideal for precise placement and seamless blending of all your go-to beauty products. These oval-shaped and ultra-soft luxury brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. $65. Well, so we'll just kind of one by one. You can see this guy right here. And I will say they're dense and but very, very soft. And I'm not really seeing anything come off of like that one. So then we have this guy right here. It's kind of like I would say a blender. And it is very soft. Let's see. Nothing coming off. And then we have this big boy right here. Again, super dense, but super soft. Nothing's coming out. Let me find out if BoxyCharm made some good brushes. We have this guy. Again, super dense, but so these really are like so soft. All right. And then we have this final guy right here. This would be good for like under the eye. And that actually feels really nice. We didn't have anything come out. So that's really awesome. $65, I don't really know, but they're brushes. I love getting brushes. I'm excited to try them. And they feel great. So I like the handle. I like that the handle has the little dip there where you can hold. So yay for item number 1. All right, and then we have from Becca Cosmetics, a glow gloss in Champagne Cream. Illuminate your lips with a luxe conditioning lip color that combines the shine of a gloss and nourishing benefits of a balm. 3D light reflecting pigment ingredients instantly make lips look fuller and smoother. Formulated with vitamin E, shea, and muru butter for soft, supple lips. $22. Ooh, I like, that's a very pretty color, and that would be great for a lip topper. And in fact, I'll put some on now. So, oh, okay, so it's got like an angled doe foot, if you can see that there. I smell a little bit of like peppermint. That feels amazing. That feels absolutely amazing. And I'm smelling the peppermint, but I think that that's probably going to come into play with the plumping. I love that. Like already. I already love that. Okay. And then we have from Dragon Beauty, Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. Personally formulated by the mother of dragons, Dragon Fire works well on all skin tones and helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Infused with light reflecting, mattifying powers to brighten and blur. This formula diffuses imperfections to create a photo-filtered fantasy. IRL saturated with vitamin E and vitamin A, Dragon Fire blends effortlessly and offers fully customizable light to full coverage. And this is $25. Now this, I do remember seeing a sneak peek, and I'll be honest. I'm like, I'll put this on and be like, I don't know. So I'm going to have to play around with this, but I am definitely all about covering imperfections and dark circles and things like that. I actually have a couple blemishes going on right here that I tried to cover, but you can still see them. So I'm definitely excited to try it. It just, the color of it throws me off a little bit, but you never know until you try it, right? So I'm excited about that. And then let's see, from Kapaa, we have a Coconut Rose Toner. This is a vegan, alcohol-free, multitasking toner to keep redness at bay that can also be used as a face primer, setting spray, and a quick refresh throughout the day. This is $25. And there is the bottle. I like this because here's like the bottle, and then this is almost like a silicone down here base. So I wonder if it smells rosy, because I'm not a big rose fan. And let's see. Well, it's a nice mist. You know what? At first I was like, I was like, I don't know, because of the rose. But the rose actually isn't that strong. And I'm all about a face mist. I love face mist. Even if this is a toner, it did say you could use it throughout the day as a refresh. So it's not as strongly rose scented as I expected. So I am actually excited about that. So far, they're killing it. All right, and then we have from QMS Mehta Cosmetics, Intensive Eye Cream, a nurturing formula developed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for the sensitive skin around the eyes. $150. This better make me look 20 years old. $150? What? Y'all, $150. And it's only 0.57 ounces. It's just over half an ounce. It does have a safety seal. So that's, I mean, you can see it's not even full. It doesn't have a smell. I mean, I'm going to put like the tiniest little bit right there. $150 for this little thing? Nuh-uh. Get out of here. Are you serious? So I put like the tiniest little. It doesn't have a smell. It did go in really nice. I mean, it's very smooth right there on my hand. What? $150 for this tiny little, I'm not kidding. That thing better work magic. What's that movie? Shoot. What is that movie? Oh. I can't think of the movie where they take the potion and it makes them all young and their skin all firm and all that. Anyway, that better do that to my eyeballs. I better be like 20 years old looking with my eyes. All right, so we have one more product, and I was thinking this would be the star of the show, but I don't know. The Natasha Danone Bloom Blush and Glow Palette, an ultimate glow palette inspired by Natasha Danone's best-selling Diamond and Blush palette, featuring some of her best-selling shades and formulas. $55. So there it is. That's very pretty. All right. And it does have a really nice large mirror, which I'm going to cover up. But y'all, oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. This is blush right here for that shade, but I could actually see that being used on the eye. Y'all, that is stunning. Glow Cream Base, Glow Extreme, Duo Glow Cream Blush. But that is that not gorgeous? Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna leave that, it kind of closed almost magnetic like. That was nice. I'm gonna leave that on, that plastic on, since those products are cream. I don't want to take that off just yet. But yeah, so that was the November 2019 BoxyCharm Premium, y'all. So we got a Natasha Danone blush and highlighter palette, basically. We got the Kapaa R Coconut Rose Toner Facial Mist. We got the BoxyCharm brushes, which surprisingly, I am actually very happy with. They seem very nice. We got the Becca Lip Gloss, and it feels absolutely amazing. We got the Dragon Beauty Color Corrector, which I'm excited to try. And then this QMS Intensive Eye Cream that, like I said, Death Becomes Her. That's the movie. This better make me go, woo, So yeah, $150. I'll put the price, the total value of the box right here for you guys. I'll add everything up. I definitely do think that this was worth $35. So like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for BoxyCharm. I hope you guys have a fantastic Friday and a wonderful weekend. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.